Good morning, everyone. We're here on Nato Beach. It's one of the two beaches that is just a few minutes from the house. So it's a local beach, free of charge. It's not white sand, but it's also a nice beach. So let's walk and explore the beach. Switching hands here. So the beach extends all the way over there, and I'm not sure exactly if those are residential or they're resorts over there, because it is a long walk. So I just try to stay close to the pier here every time I go here. So, but one day I'm gonna walk the entire length all the way that side. So last time I vlogged, I did a top 3 pros and cons of retirement in the Philippines, and I'm gonna do another vlog to expand on that. If you have any specific questions, just PM me and I'll try to give the answers. Again, the answers to those questions and are personal. Okay, some may feel that, you know, I like it living in the city better than the province, but that's a personal choice. So for me, I definitely don't want to live in the city. I want to be surrounded with beaches and mountains and less traffic. Here's a 360 view of Nato Beach on a beautiful Saturday morning. I'm gonna try to walk where my feet is touching the water. And you don't have to tiptoe here because the water is warm. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna take off my slippers. Okay, we are ready for our walk. Nice and warm water. I remember going to Ocean City, New Jersey in the middle of summer, and that water still freezing cold. But here the water is relatively warm. It's like bathwater warm. Oh, here's a local kid right now. No.
I found the fish.
You found a fish? Okay. Do you like this beach, Nana? Come over here. Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah. This is Nono, one of the local kids. Okay. Why do you like this beach?
Because I found a goat. Because I found one goat. It's right over there.
There's a goat?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
There's a mama goat and a baby goat.
And a baby goat. Okay. Yeah.
And you want to look him?
No, that's okay. I don't need to see the goat.
Because he's so cute. I don't him, and then
Okay.
he just hurt me.
Okay. Is the water warm?
Yep.
Okay. All right. We'll see you later. Okay. Bye-bye. Friendly local kid. I think I'm gonna go swimming a little bit. So I'm gonna end the vlog here. But before I end it, I'll give you a 360 degrees views of Nato Beach. And behind me are some mountain ranges where I don't know the name of the mountain. Sorry, one day I'll Google it. But Camarines Sur, we have a lot of mountains and volcanoes surrounding the province area. Okay, this is B. Baltasar Island Living. Please subscribe to my channel. Peace out.